Morning, guys. Here is my week 4 intro to law kind of week summarization video, I guess you could call it. All right. So, as always, I'm going to head over to Classwork. Classwork's where I will find week 4, 9, 8 to 9, 11. And then kind of a real quick snapshot of what I need to be looking for to turn in this week. There is your daily check-in questions. You will have a CNN quiz this week. I'll put it up on Friday morning as soon as I get it. There's your CNN 10 template. And then you have some plea bargaining, which is your weekly activity. Very similar design to last week's. So there's this week's right here. I'm going to click everyone start here, right? That's the place I need to go to all the time. And right now I've got my week 4 agenda put into there. So let's take a peek at it. All right, no school on Monday, so I don't need to worry about that right there. But I am going to go over to Tuesday. All right, Tuesday. So your typical CNN, your number 1 and your number 2 on here, right? So your normal CNN 10 stuff. Make yourself a new weekly copy of your template, rename it, get ready to roll on that. Watch your video. Plea bargaining week activity. This is due Sunday, 9/13. All right. Click here to view the Google Slides presentation for plea bargaining. So if I click there, it's going to take me to the notes. No fill-in notes this week, right? But you guys do need to be familiar with just 2 slides, right? 2 slides I need to be focused on. There is a plea bargaining activity template. I need to click on that. All right, I'm going to make a copy. And when I get that copy, I need to rename it. Right, I need to go ahead and rename it, make it my own, put it in my G Drive so I can keep working on it throughout the week. All right, so this is my activity. It's going to populate here in just a second. It's still working. All right, there we go. Now, as you go throughout the week, you'll see that you'll study a case that is on Irma Faye Stewart and Regina Kelly. You'll study a case on Charles Gampero. Sorry, guys. And then you'll have some other ones, Kelly Jarrett, Patsy, Kelly Jarrett. So you guys have about 3 or 4 of them that you guys are going to be looking at this week as you go through it, and Carrie Max Cook. So 4 of them total, right? And you'll just, you can click above for an article, but there's a video that you guys can watch as well that talks about all of these 4 cases put together. It's a really good documentary on plea bargaining. And then you are going to, in a short paragraph, summarize each of those. So again, 3 to 4 sentences, maybe a little longer if you need it to be, right? To summarize what's going on there. Your second part of it is topic questions on plea bargaining. So in the next couple of slides, answer the questions on plea bargaining in a couple of sentences using the video, articles, and notes. So you can see that you have 7 total questions that you need to answer right here into this. And then you will submit this whole presentation back into Classroom at the end of the week on Sunday. All right, so where do I find that video Mr. Poss was talking about in the activity template? If I click C, right, it'll take me right over to this website right here. It's pbs.org, and it'll load the video. It's the plea. It's about an hour and a half long, so you guys can take it in chunks throughout the week, but it does go through each of those cases for you. It outlines what happens kind of during the plea agreement time frame of court, those kinds of things. So definitely watch the videos. If you want to click on the articles, you can, but I think the video will help you more than anything else. All right, so that's Tuesday, but this is something you'll be working on all week. So, all right, so don't expect, there's not a whole lot of other stuff going on other than you working through Section 3 all week. All right, Wednesday, let's take a look. So Wednesday, you have your Google Meet. If you guys want to jump on, you can ask any questions. There's your CNN 10. By now, you should have watched the plea bargaining video outline on Tuesday's slide. You should begin summarizing the cases outlined in your video and your activity template. And then, as always, don't forget your daily check-ins. Thursday, kind of the same idea, right? So there is your CNN 10 info. Today, you should be wrapping up your summaries on the individual plea bargaining cases outlined on Tuesday's slide under your weekly activity template and moving over to the topic question section. Don't forget your daily check-ins, right? So that topic question section of your activity template would be great. And then here's another great video I found. It's shorter, obviously much, much shorter, a solid video summarizing plea bargains. If you want to give it a look, it'll help you answer some of those questions in the activity section. And then Friday is your catch up day, right? So I'll post the CNN 10 quiz this morning on being Friday morning. It is due by Sunday 9:13. So get caught up if you need to. Otherwise, enjoy your weekend, guys. So there it is, right? So that's what we got going on this week in law. Again, email me or hit me up on Classroom if you guys have any questions. Thanks.